Opportunity knocks in the magic zip code of 85254. This is any investor's dream come true, bursting at the seams with color and character, sitting on a plentiful lot boasting nearly an acreage. Nestled within an exciting neighborhood of remodels, rebuilds, and new construction, surrounding homes in the area are selling upwards of $4 million. This home offers 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms and sits on rare horse property in the middle of the city. A must-see. This won't last long. Schedule your private showing with Bacchus Realty Group today.